Hello students, today we are going to start our next topic from chapter 3 decimals, and our topic is multiplication and division of decimals. Okay, let us start with the multiplication first. Let us take two numbers. We have to multiply 1.3 and 0.3. So firstly, simply multiply the numbers without taking the decimal. So I have here 13 and here 3. So 13 3s are 39. So now you have to just place a decimal in your answer. So there are two decimal numbers, one in the left number and the one in the right number. So there are total two decimal numbers in the above calculation. So in the result you have to place the decimal by leaving two decimal places from the right side. So 1, 2, and you have to place a decimal here. So this is your answer. Let us take another example. Suppose example 7.05 and you have to multiply with 2.5. Firstly, calculate the answer without taking the decimal, that is 705 multiplied by 25. You will get the answer 17,625. So you will place the decimal as we did in the example first. There are 1, 2 and 3 decimal, total 3 decimal places in the above digits. So 1, 2, 3. Leave the 3 decimal places from the right side and place a dot. So this is your answer. Sometimes you will see multiplication of 10,000, 100, 10,000, which means the numbers that have zeros behind. So how will you multiply the decimals with these numbers? Let us understand with an example. 5.37 multiplied by 10. You just have to change the place of a decimal. In the multiplication, the decimal will change the place to the right side. Okay, and the number of places depends on the number of zeros. So we have 1 0, so you will take the decimal to the one step right side. 537, the decimal was here, so one step to the right side. So this is your answer. Let us take another example, 609.75, and I'll multiply this with the 1000. So firstly write this number, and in this number we have decimal between 9 and 7. So there are 3 zeros in the 1000, so you have to take the decimal to the 3 places right. But we have only two numbers, 7 and 5. How will you increase the numbers? You have to add a 0 at the last. So adding a 0, you can take the decimal from here to 3 step right. You can place or not place the decimal here, because the decimal at the end point of a number does not have any value. So the number is 609750. Okay, so the answer is this. Now let us start next division of the decimals. Let us understand with examples. So the first one is 0.21 divided by 0.7. So the easiest method is convert these decimals into fractions. So there are two decimal places, so we'll take 100, 2 zeros below and in the denominator place. So here you have one decimal place, so place 10 in the denominator. We have converted these both decimals into fractions. So we did the division of fraction in the earlier chapter. Just write the first fraction as it is, convert the division sign into multiplication, and then do the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 10 by 7. So is any cutting possible here? 0 by 0, 7 3s are 21. So the answer is 3, and in the denominator place it is 10. So 3 by 10 equals to 0.3. This is your answer. Let us take another example. Suppose the question is, we have to divide these both decimal numbers. Let us convert these into fraction. 3 decimals places, so we have to place 3 zeros, that is 1000. 2.5, 1 decimal place, you have to write 10. Now division of the fraction, that is the first fraction as it is, multiplication sign, change the sign of division, and reciprocal of the second part. So cut the numbers. After cutting you will get 2, 3, 2, 9. So the answer is divide by. So convert this fraction into the decimal number. So you have to leave 2 decimal numbers behind the point. So the answer is 23.29. Okay. So as we did in the multiplication, same in the division, you can get the questions like divide by 10, divide by 100, divide by 1000. So now we are going to solve these questions. For example, you have a number 34.5 and divided by 10. In the multiplication you have taken the dot to the right side, and in the division you have to take it to the left side after seeing the zeros behind the division sign. Okay, now we have only 1 0, so you have to take the decimal to the one place to the left. So the answer will be 3.45. Just place the dot one place to the left. Let us take another example. Suppose 6.27 and you have to divide it by 100. So there are 2 zeros and you have to take the dot to the 2 places left, but you have only single number, so you can add here 0, 0, 6, 2, 7 and place the dot by taking the 2 digits to the left, that is 1, 2, and place the dot here. So this was a topic, multiplication and division of the fraction. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you.